honors. Daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Virgilio Dadol and Junaline Lagaras Dadol. Her medal will be imposed by her aunt, Mrs. Maayon. Jurado Catherine Roy with honors. Daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Eddie Jurado and Esperanza Igot Jurado. Her medal will be imposed by her father, Mr. Eddie Jurado. Manuel Sarah D. with honors. Daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Ruel Maluwayon and Shona Tabaho Maluwayon. Her medal will be imposed by her mother, Mrs. Shona Maluwayon. Solano DGBC with honors. Daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Gina Solano